ahansi ya project ya forest restoration and community engagement for carbon resilience eka ziri kurenga 15 zigayirwaho mu kibira kya Kigombe Forest Reserve bwanyuma yo kubinga abantu ababire nubacwetereza.
WWF mwaka gwa 2023 nkafuna opportunity nyafuna training ye bagamba tukwenda kugaraho ebyo buhangwa ne supportinga those interested farmers ababaire baina interest yo kwencroachinga ekibire ekyo twatandika na SACCOs kisone ne supportinga ne traininga basobola kutulinkinga na project ezo zone
tukagenda twaseruliza twarora ngu ekikutwara muna abantu mu kibira nibabona basiri entashi so twatekaho ebintu ebisobora kuletereza abantu entashi antukozesa climate smart agriculture mbere osobora kozita kerike yoina mu ndime y'omulembe kozesa obusa bw'embuzi n'ente kuteka misiri yawo nukwe otunge ebingi mu itake litaite yoina so niyo nsonga waki twakozeseze approach.
Boaz Basijirenda, Senior Forestry Officer Ministry y'Amizi n'Obuhangwa bwensi najuranga abantu bayone bahindura entekereza yabo barukoresa itake ribine okukira kutahirira ebibira.
Ekituboyina habwire buno aro enyawukana yamani muno hala abantu mindset change eiziroho betegereze nti ekibya tinaino obugayigabuli nahera bugayigabuliyo abantu bayinente bayino mwani WWF bahereze ebitoke nembere yabehindukire twakyali mukwera likirira twakyali mukora mukiro hata abantu bakora bayino businge kandi sente zeyongeiro
nsobere kuihamu kilo 10 binasanya na mukaga eza kase zo mwanya but this season because comparing no mwanya basokere kurugamu this season nkunihira ngu I may get like 2 tons this season.
Edgard Tumusime mkuru w'entebe ya Katana wa district ya Kagadi yasimye bitongole na government abakorire hamwe kutaha encourage
to the stakeholders bashime ku intensifying no kubaha ground kugira ngo ebibara implementing bitagumiza mu bikaba ebyarupapura konka bibe ebiri actual facts ziri ha ground nico yarebera ngo najanti tugwaba mu shamurungi kugira ubwire buke bwo kurambura ko zinarentenganya muhabwanje natenga tuteke mu boots tuze ha forest tuze ha boundaries turebe batwereke boundaries zirinkaye ubwire bw'enyuma bakaba linkaye and how have they come out and try to conserve the boundaries. Yes,
ekyanga kya Bunyoro kine ebibira bya government na bishatu ebirumu Buguma Kagombe Guramwa n'ebindi kandi ngwe byona biryo mukabe kukwaho abatagizire cyakorwa bwanyuma yo kutahirwa abatura omugandi abatura mu Kasese nibashagwa kurinda ibyo buhangwa chwero kurwanise bugwererezi na munongo kuboga ko mugera gwa Nyamwamba ogutuye no guteganisa abatura mu district stage
eri buli muntu okulaba nti buli omwaka obuvunanyizibwa bwe okulaba nti tukendeeza omulanga emiranga egiri mu kitundu kino ate tukomyawo oba oliawo okwesiima mu kitundu kino naddala nga tuyita mu kusimba emiti tuwaddeyo ensigo ng'ekibiina ezivudde mu bavujjirizi baffe n'ennema okulaba nti abantu bonna amasomero gasobola okusimba emiti.
Very symbolic for us in the Catholic Church for we promote the protection of the environment. Pope Francis declared that all Catholics, all Christians should take care of the environment, taking care of the Mother Earth for the environment. And we have been carrying on this exercise of tree planting.
That we are going to plant on our compound so that we can be able to conserve the nature around us, but also helping other people on the same campaign to plant more trees as we conserve the environment.
Bagambirwa kuruga mu biceka bitari bimwe na bimwe omukurambura no mu kubyara emiti omyejego y'omugera gwa Nyamwamba okurwa mu Kasese municipality.
We are going to put up this tree here. It's not for us we are putting up, but it will benefit those who will come after us. So now if you have that mind that then you are deceiving yourself.
Control measures against erosion, and when they grow, then they will provide fruits for our people to eat
and then they fight hunger and other associated effects that may result from hunger.
Our emphasis this year is to make sure we plant as many as 7 million trees. But at the same time, we are emphasizing the preserving of these trees. And Kasese being one of the victims of climate change, we feel that we should emphasize, we should encourage people in Kasese to plant as many trees as possible.
Gashoka Thomas Tumwebaze na Gilbert Muhanguzi.